All right, multiplying and dividing word problems. Suppose the temperature outside is dropping 3 degrees each hour. How much will the temperature change in 8 hours? So we're going to multiply. Remember that if your signs are different, then the product is negative. So it drops, it's negative 24 is the integer, but it drops 24 degrees in 8 hours. A deep sea diver descends, when you see that in a word problem, means that it's going down. So they descend below the surface of water at a rate of 60 feet each minute. What is the depth of the diver after 10 minutes? That is negative 60 times 10, which is negative 600 feet. A computer stock lost 2 points. They lost, so that's negative. Each hour for 6 hours. Describe the total change in stock after 6 hours. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. So that is negative $12, or it lost 12, not dollars, points. Lost 12 points in 6 hours. A drought can cause the level of local water supply to drop, that's negative, by a few inches each week. Suppose the level of water drops 2 inches each week. How much will it change in 4 weeks? That is negative 2 times 4, which is negative 8. It will drop 8 inches in 4 weeks. Number 5, Mrs. Rockwell lost money on an investment at a rate of $4 per day. Describe the change in her investment after 2 weeks. So it's $4 per day that she loses. After 2 weeks, that is 14 days. So we're going to multiply this by 14, not by 2. 14 times 4 is 56. So she loses $56 in 2 weeks. And our last multiplication problem, Josh purchased 8 cans of tennis balls. The cans came with 3 balls in each can. How many balls did he purchase? That's 8 times 3, which is 24 balls. Alright, so for dividing integers and word problems, skating judges in some figure skating competitions must give a mandatory 5-point deduction for each jump missed during the technical part of the competition. Marissa has participated in 5 competitions this year and has been given a total of 20 points, negative 20 points, for jumps missed. How many jumps did she miss? So that's the total, negative 20, divided by the 5 competitions. She loses or misses 4 jumps. All right, number 2, Miranda is an excellent spinner who averages 30 points on her spins during competitions. Last year, her total spin points equaled 21. About how many spins did she successfully complete? So you're going to take your total number, divide it by the average, and that is 7 spins. Make sure you put your unit. Number 3, the temperature dropped 32 degrees in 4 hours. Suppose the temperature dropped by an equal amount each hour. What integer describes the change? That is negative 32 divided by 4, which is negative 8 degrees. Dan's scores for the speed this season are negative 1, negative 3, 1, negative 1, negative 2, 0. What is his average speed score for the season? The average is the sum of the points divided by the number of scores. So we're going to add them all together. -1 plus -3 plus 1 plus -1 plus -2 plus 0. -1 plus -3 is -4. 1 plus -1 is 0. -2 plus 0 is -2. -4 plus -2 is -6. And we're dividing by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The average score is -1. Number 5, a football team was penalized 30 points in 3 plays. Suppose the team was penalized an equal number of yards on each play. Write an integer that gives the yards for each penalty. So that's -30 divided by 3, which is -10. Number 6, a team scored a total of 27 points for 3-point field goals in the season. How many 3-point field goals did they make? So 27 divided by 3 is 9 field goals. Number 7, Anna and Sarah both ran 5 laps of a race. When Anna finished, Sarah was 15 meters behind Anna. Suppose Sarah fell behind the same number of meters during each lap. Write an integer that describes how far Sarah fell behind each lap. Alright, so they both ran 5 laps. Sarah was 15 meters behind Anna. Sarah fell behind the same number of meters during each lap. Write an integer that describes how far she was behind. So that's -15 divided by 5, which means she fell behind 3 laps, 3 meters. She fell behind 3 meters for each lap. All right, Maria was penalized a total of 12 points in 6 baking contests for not starting on time. Suppose she was penalized an equal number of points at each competition. Write an integer that describes the penalty. So that's -12 divided by 6, which is -2 points. She loses 2 points in each competition.